I have finally captured the beast I was after. It's like catching a tarpon. He's so big. I've been playing him for about 20 minutes now, so he's worn down a little bit. Got my wife's coming down with a tape measure and herself to help me with this guy, because I want to make sure I get it on record, but he's a little hard to do all by myself. So my God, look at the size of that thing. Just had something to put him next to so you can see. See if I can get him up here next to my foot. And my foot, oh, can't really tell. Look at that guy. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. See if we can get him come around here. Wow, look at that. That thing is enormous. Wow. I can't believe the size of this thing. That's cool.